In this video, we are going to talk about some skills and some softwares actually which a business graduate should learn in today's market to sustain, like business degrees, BBAs or IBA degrees are in the top hype subjects now in the market to study after the engineering degrees. So when you are becoming a business graduate, you should know some basics of business, but we see that many of the students come from the science faculty, like they have completed their secondary and higher secondary in science and they don't know the basics of business, and that's even they don't find so much interest, and that's why they neglect some things which they should not. As a business graduate in today's market, some things are mandatory to know. Whatever major you have, like you have major in accounting or you have major in marketing or you have major in human resource or supply chain or whatever, some things are very common that you should know. And number one, the thing I want to say that you must know, that is digital marketing. You should know the fundamentals of digital marketing. Now you might say that I am a finance major, why I should learn digital marketing? Digital marketing is a fact or something that should a marketing guy know, but ultimately when you are working in a business, the basics of marketing is mandatory to know for you, because you are going to handle the finance, and finance is not only dealing with the money. You are going to deal with the projects. You are going to think about in which project, in which product or which purpose you are going to give the maximum amount of money and everything. And when this comes, marketing is also dependent on finance, or that you will give them the budget. And when we are talking about this, now you can say then why digital marketing? Because now the traditional marketing is almost going to be at its day end. It's going to be end. Now most of the marketings are dependent on digital marketing, and digital marketing is something that is making the maximum customer transaction. So that's why when you are working in somewhere in a business department, or you are saying that you are a business graduate, you should know the basic of digital marketing. Even if you are going for something like a enterprise or a startup, then you might do multiple works at a time at multiple departments. Like most of the startups do not have dedicated departments. They have a team, a cohort of 5 to 10 people, and they do everything, almost everything, whatever they get in the hand and whatever they can do. So you must know it. Then secondly, the thing you should have at least the primary knowledge, that is accounting. As a business graduate, accounting is something you should know it primarily, and you should be able to at least make the general transaction deals and write it up. Like even including me, when I was doing my bachelor accounting course, I thought that I am not an accounting major, so I don't need to so much focus on it. But now when I am almost at the end of my graduation and I am thinking that I have to revise my accounting course, and I am watching tutorials on online and doing some sums by myself, because now I am understanding that when I am considering myself as a business graduate, I should know the primary things of accounting, and I should be able to at least do the accountings for a small business. Thirdly, you should know a software SPSS, which is an statistical software. And this software is mainly used in the research purpose. But when you are going in a business, then business is always dependent on research. Like you have to do the research about the customer consumption rate and the product production rate. You have to see the supply chain. You have to target that what amount of the product or a specific good will be required within the next day or within the next quarter. You have to think about your inventory management, and these type of data are actually statistical data. So when you come to statistical analysis, you cannot do everything individually on your notebook. and that's for you need a software, and SPSS could be a good one. Some people might say you to learn R. R is also better, but if you are a beginner then you can start with SPSS. And honestly, SPSS is something which is used mostly in our subcontinent, like the India, Bangladesh, Pakistan. In this subcontinent, SPSS is still at the hype and top of the market. Then 4, you should understand the trends. You should know the market trends. Like you should follow social medias which are common in your country. It might be Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and know that what is the trending topic in the market, what type of things are going in the flow. Like trend is something that controls the business. When there was the trend of having Xiaomi, every people went out, every youth, and they wanted to buy a Xiaomi phone. But today the trend is having an iPhone, and now some studies say that around 90% of the Indian youth buy iPhone on EMI. Can you imagine 90% of them buying a phone on EMI because just to follow the trend? So you have to have the clear idea and concept of the ongoing trends in the society, because this is what something will give you the idea to manage your business or have a new business, or even if you have a business, then how to competitively suit in the market. You will get the knowledge from following the trends. And last but not the least, data analysis. Data analysis is something which you might think it's a job for the engineers, which was true. Data analysis was firstly introduced in the engineering institutes, but now data analysis is almost everywhere. Whatever data you get in a business or in a company or wherever, the data needs to be analyzed to see the authenticity and see the results, the probability, and what would be the next and everything. So data analysis is something you should have the basic idea and knowledge how to do the data analysis and how to manage it. And these are the 5 things that most of the business graduates today neglects due to not being measured in that field. But honestly, today's market wants you to do everything, because now the market is so much competitive, and the business graduates, the market for them is really tough. Like now every companies are going through the scientific procedures, and even engineers are coming after doing an MBA, or even not doing MBA, just with their bachelor, and grabbing the seats of the marketing specialist or the management or the HR. So at this peak moment, when you want to take the job as a business graduate, you should know these things and you should skill up yourself in these things, so that whenever you drop your CV and you face the vibe about, they find it that yes, you are someone who knows almost everything, at least the fundamentals, and you specialize in something, so you can provide them support in the other departments through you are working in another department. It will really help you to have a job in today's market. Thank you so much for being with me and watching the video.